Okay.
Hey everybody, Dale and Leanna here from Moments of Adventure, and we have for you a small series of some of the bars and speakeasies that we've been to in Vegas in 2023.
Yeah, not even the end of the month yet, and we made a trip out here to Vegas and had some fun.
Going to the Cabinet of Curiosities, the Lock, the Speakeasy, and Bally's.
The Cabinet of Curiosities is at the bottom of the escalator, and the lock is hidden inside, so let's go check it out.
And the Lock is a speakeasy inside the Cabinet of Curiosities, and that's right now in Bally's, but Bally's is becoming Horseshoe at some point in the near future.
Yeah,
so,
I think it's turned already, but if you Google Map it, it's still going to say Bally's.
Mm-hmm.
But the Cabinet of Curiosities, is that what it was?
The Cabinet of Curiosities is the bar.
Right. So if you walk by there and you jump in and grab a drink or whatever, all kinds of cool little artifacts, curiosities on the wall, lots of things to pull out of drawers and take a look at. But off to the left, when you get into the bar at the end of the thing, you see this big safe.
Yeah, it's a big safe, and there's a phone next to it. Now, you can walk up and try to get in, but you better off probably to make reservations. And so inside, when you go into the safe, there's it's almost like a puzzle to solve.
Yeah, you walk into another tiny closet room. I would say
not alone.
Closet. Yeah, the host comes in there with you to kind of give you some ideas, because they really don't give you any instructions whatsoever. I'm not going to tell you the solution to the problem. The host will help you out, but you have to get past that first closet, that first room, into the actual bar.
It helps that Bally's is haunted, so it adds to the cool factor.
What?
There's secret menu order form.
So what do we do with that?
Well, I would imagine you write on it with the pins that are here. So, first thing we did is we used the QR code to pull up the drinks. And so I'm going to get a reimagined corpse reviver, but I'm planning ahead and going for the specialty cocktail at the end. So you put your moods down: mood, style, destination, zodiac element.
That looks like this.
Yeah.
What did you pick for your drink?
Oh, I'm gonna do the reimagined corpse reviver. We'll see. You. See it? Going in. Oh, that's lovely. It's kind of lemon drop. It's got lemon, but it's not as strong of lemon flavor as like a lemon drop would have. It's very smooth. It's very good. Cheers.
Nice.
And then they will make you one just for you.
Mm-hmm.
So what did you put on your?
I said my mood was naughty, and I like your preferred style. I wasn't sure, but I didn't want sweet, and bitter doesn't sound good either. So I said savory. And then my destination I said was beach, and my element is water.
So my secret menu order form. My current mood is collected. I'm very calm right now. Preferred style. Now I can't read it.
What'd you say?
Bitter.
Oh.
Favorite destination. I picked the beach this time.
Yeah.
And the zodiac element, Perth. So that's a gin drink right there, right?
It is. You're getting gin for sure.
It's like licking a pine cone, I heard. So mine does not have a name, but it's a custom drink with Buffalo Trace whiskey. It's very good. It's very simple. It's a simple drink.
I have a personalized cocktail, but she just came over here, the bartender came over here to talk to us because what I clicked was savory, and so she made it with carrot juice, and she's muddled cucumbers inside, so you can very faintly taste the cucumber, but the carrot is very carroty. It's not bad, but it's also got a rum base, which if I were making it, I probably would have gone like vodka. But in talking to her, she wants to put like some spice in it, which like jalapeno or chipotle with the tequila. I think that would be really good. She's gonna try that next time.
You did it and it came back with carrot juice?
Yeah.
Which would you enjoy?
It wasn't bad. I was feeling adventurous with my carrot drink. And I'm glad I did it. And the bartender came out and asked me specifically about my drink because she was so curious about it. Mm-hmm. And then we brainstormed, which was also fun.
Yeah, maybe she'll put your drink on the menu.
Maybe she'll try one of my suggestions for the next time.
Come up with it. Yeah. Once you're in the speakeasy, there's even another room inside the speakeasy for sitting. Not another bar, but another sitting area. So keep your eye out for that. Look along the walls. There's clues.
It's hidden.
There's clues. You can find it. Speakeasy, the vibe in it was real nice. You could, it's like most others. You enjoy your drinks, enjoy the surroundings. Like and subscribe to this video so you can get notified when we go on our next adventure.
And make sure, how about we have them comment on your favorite Vegas bar or speakeasy?
Yeah, because there's a lot of them out there. There's a lot of them popping out. Popping up? There's a lot of them popping up.
Anyway, Cabinet of Curiosities, super fun speakeasy with the lock. So go check it out when you're on the strip.
Thanks, everybody.
Be sure to stay tuned for our next Las Vegas bar or speakeasy. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Oopsie. Corpse Death Eater. I don't remember. That was a little